Tell me what your secrets whisper in my ear. Every thought you think, I promise I'll be near. You're the reason I believe in the brighter day. You're the melody that's playing in my heart's array.
In another world at night, beneath the stars shining bright, just connected by like smitten by the moonlight, we shared that precious flight.
Rummage through the aisles of other people's past. Dusty dreams and treasures, memories amassed. Found a tape marked with a name I don't know. Play it loud, let it echo, watch it steal the show. It's a thrift store groove, the sound of lives colliding. Every note from the depths of time it's hiding. Hear the crackle, hear the hiss, like a secret untold. Thrift store cassette where stories unfold. Plastic case is cracked, but the magic's still there. Melodies wrapped in a stranger's care. Rewind, rewind back through the years, to heartbeats, laughter, to joy and tears. The radio's rusted, but it sings just fine. The tape deck's a portal, it bends the time. Press play and walk in through lives on repeat. A bargain bin treasure that sweeps me off my feet. It's a thrift store groove, the sound of lives colliding. Every note from the depths of time is hiding. Hear the crackle, hear the hiss, like a secret untold. Thrift store cassette where stories unfold. Voices long gone, but they reach my ears today. They don't know they're serenading as I press play. Layers of strangers wrapped up in a song. A universe of echoes where I now belong.
I was walking through the noise, same routine, the same old voice in my head saying love's just fiction, just a spark lost in the distance. Didn't see it coming in, but the world turned crystal clear. In one glance you broke the silence, like light bursting through the blindness. And suddenly I'm breathing new air. Colors I'd forgotten were even there. At first sight, the sky broke white, like the stars had finally aligned. Every scar I used to hide felt like proof I made it to this time. You didn't just change my mind, you changed my life. Everything turned right at first sight. Oh, I had walls, I had doubts, years of shadows to figure out, but one smile cracked them open, a quiet truth softly spoken. I saw futures